Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been in a new city, standing on a sidewalk, completely confused, wondering, where on earth am I? Then today's lesson is exactly what you need. Because today, we're joining Cristiano Ronaldo, yes, the global football superstar, who actually got lost this morning, and Taylor Swift, who's about to teach him everything he needs to confidently ask for directions in English. And trust me, these phrases will save your life when traveling. Let's get started.
Cristiano, you look stressed. What happened?
I got lost today. Completely lost. I was trying to find a coffee shop downtown, and I walked around for 30 minutes.
30 minutes? Oh no. Why didn't you just ask someone for directions?
Because I didn't know how to ask in English. And honestly, I panic a little when people recognize me.
Well, that ends today. Let's fix this right now. I'll teach you the most important phrases you need.
Really? That would help so much.
If you can master these 3 questions, you can find any place, anywhere, anytime.
All right, Cristiano. First phrase. Excuse me, where is... Repeat after me.
Excuse me, where is...
Great. Now number 2. How do I get to...
How do I get to the train station?
Perfect. And the third one. Can you tell me where is...
Can you tell me where the library is?
Amazing. Those 3 questions will help you literally anywhere in the world.
Short, simple, powerful.
Okay, asking is fine. But understanding the answers? That's what scares me.
I get it. People give directions fast, and they use certain patterns. Let me show you the ones you'll hear most. Pattern 1. Go straight. Meaning, keep walking forward. Pattern 2. Turn right, turn left. But listen carefully. Turn right after 2 blocks. Turn right at the traffic light. Pattern 3. It's on your right, left. Pattern 4. Next to, across from. Next to equals beside. Across from equals opposite side of the street. Pattern 5. Distance phrases. It's about 5 minutes. It's 2 blocks away.
Okay. I think I understand.
Let's test it.
Excuse me, where's the coffee shop?
Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. It'll be on your right, next to the bookstore.
Go straight, 2 blocks, left, right, bookstore. Yeah, I lost it already.
Exactly. That's why you need follow-up questions.
Follow-up questions are your best friend. They slow the conversation down and help you understand clearly.
If you don't understand, say, "Sorry, could you repeat that?" Or, "Could you speak more slowly, please?" For distance. Is it far from here? How long does it take to walk? For direction. Do I turn right or left? And if you need a visual, could you point which way?
These are so helpful.
Ask me how to get to the train station.
Excuse me, how do I get to the train station?
Go straight down this street. Turn right at the traffic light. Walk for about 5 minutes. You'll see it on your left.
Sorry, could you repeat that more slowly?
Of course. Go straight. Turn right at the traffic light. Walk 5 minutes. It's on your left.
Is it far?
Not at all, only 5 minutes.
Do I turn right at the first traffic light?
Yes, the first one.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
See? Follow-up questions make everything easier.
Now let's go over important words you'll hear in directions. Landmarks: bank, park, hospital, gas station, supermarket, church. Street features: traffic light, crosswalk, corner, intersection. Movement verbs: go, walk, turn, cross, pass. Pass equals go beyond something.
The bank is a landmark. Turn right at the intersection. Cross the street at the crosswalk.
Exactly, you're getting it.
But what if I still can't find the place?
Then ask again. Say, am I going the right way? I think I'm lost. Could you help me? People are usually kind, especially if you're polite. You also need phrases for buses and subways. Which bus goes to the airport? Where's the nearest subway station? Does this bus stop at the museum? How much is the taxi fare to downtown?
These are perfect for traveling.
Now let's do a longer example.
You need to find the post office. Ready?
Excuse me, where is the post office?
It's on 2nd Avenue near the park.
How do I get to 2nd Avenue?
Go straight for 3 blocks, then turn right.
Is it far?
About 10 minutes walking. And the post office is right next to the park.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Here are tips every traveler must know. It's okay to ask people to repeat. You can ask them to write it down. Use your phone, show them the address. Study the map before you go. If someone gives confusing directions, just thank them and ask someone else.
Mistake 1. Starting with where is and forgetting excuse me.
Right. Sounds rude.
Mistake 2. Not listening to the whole direction.
I've definitely done that.
Mistake 3. Being afraid to ask for clarification.
Excuse me, where is platform 5?
Go down the stairs and turn left. It's at the end of the hall.
Is it far?
Just 1 minute.
Let's quickly review. Excuse me, where is... How do I get to? On your right, left. Next to, across from. Could you repeat that? Am I going the right way? These simple phrases can transform your entire travel experience.
I feel so much more confident now.
Amazing! Next time you're downtown, you'll find that coffee shop easily.
And for everyone watching, practice these phrases before you need them. Write them down, say them out loud, make them part of your natural English. Thanks for watching, and as always, safe travels, everyone.